Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, guys, we're going to be creating a wall decor for my bathroom, okay? And it's one of the signs that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's a wall sticker, and it says, I have it all cut out over here ahead of time. So let's jump into the project, guys. Let me show you all of the items that I'm going to be using. So we're going to be using the sticker. Like I said, I got this at the Dollar Tree. So this was a 3-piece sticker, and I'm absolutely loving these. I thought they were really cool. This says, always wash your hands, and it's a soap dispenser. I cut these out of the sticker, guys, because we're going to frame this. And then this one says floss and brush your teeth. And then this one over here says flush the toilet and close the lid. I absolutely love it. So adhesive, you can get this at the Dollar Tree in the auto section. So I'm just trying to use up all what I have. And I did get this frame at the Dollar Tree. It's like a collage type of a frame. This is how it comes. I took it apart. I did go outside and spray paint this with the matte finish black paint because it was shiny. So I took that outside, took the backing out, the glass is over here. Also, we will be using this cardstock. I got the cardstock at Michael's, out of the Michael's book, and I got it on clearance. This is the one I decided to go with, okay? So I'm also going to use one of the scarves. So they have this scarf here at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using it. We're going to be using it as a bow to embellish. We'll also be using some seashells and some nautical rope. Guys, everything I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below. So I'm excited. Let's jump right into it. We're going to embellish the frame. Really is all we're going to be working on right now, and then we'll go ahead and start piecing things together. So let's start out with these seashells, guys. And these seashells, let me show you, they're beautiful. I got them at the Dollar Tree. Alright, so we're going to embellish around this frame with some seashells, since my bathroom is in nautical, has that nautical theme. So let me move some of this over here. Okay, now I'm going to be using a little bit of Fix-All adhesive. I don't want the shells falling. Not that anybody should be touching this, but I just want to make sure they're secure where they are. So I'm just using up what I have left over. So we'll just put a little bit of the Fix-All, and then we'll put some. We'll put some hot glue on the shell, and then we will place that where we want it. Okay, now you can do it random, or you could do it all the way around the frame. I'm not going to do that because we're going to embellish with a bow, so I'm just going to kind of randomly place them. These seashells are so beautiful, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. this is what it's looking like so far. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Besides the strings from the glue gun, I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is what we have so far. Now, I'm going to let that sit for a second. Let's move over here to this bow. So now, what I did with this bow is I just tied it like a shoe. I make my shoe bow. It's a very simple bow, and all I did was fluff this part of the scarf out. Okay? So this is going to be, like I said, this is going to go on the bottom of this here. Okay, and then, so we're going to kind of glue that down. We're going to do this last. What I'm going to do is embellish the outside of the bow first. So this is the shoe bow. We're going to embellish the center here. And that, so we don't like to waste anything. So what I wanted to do is make a twine bow and then use the leftover tassel. Okay, just to embellish this bow. So now we're going to glue this jute right in the center of that bow. So this is going to be a beautiful big bow. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some hot glue. We're going to place that down. And we're going to push down. Now, while all of this is drying, let me just show you real quick. This is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So this is going to need a couple of minutes to set also. Start, guys. We're going to take these 3 stickers that I cut out. It was one whole sticker, but I cut it out. Okay, and then I'm going to figure out the placement where I can get all 3 to fit. So I think I was going with this. So I already know the placement, guys, because I already figured this out. So this is how we're going to place that before we put it in the frame. Alright? So now we're going to take the top one, since I already know where that's going to be placed. I work better with it on the side, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and move it to the side. And then once I like where it's being placed, I'm going to start at the top and then move my way down. Okay, so that's one down. Now I know the placement to this one, so I'm going to peel this back. Okay, once you like the placement, okay, I think I like how that's looking. Now we'll just place this one. Okay, guys, so look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love that. Okay, so now we already cleaned this mirror. Just go ahead and wipe this again. See if I can dry it up a little bit. So we are going to turn this frame around. Okay, so the glass is going to go in first. Okay, now we're going to take the cardstock and we're going to place this in the center. Okay, like I said, I pre-cut the cardstock. Now we want to make sure that the hanger part is on the top. Okay, so we're going to place this in. I didn't want to put too much pressure on those seashells, which is why I stood that up. Let me show you what that's looking like. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? And we're not even done yet. Okay, so now we are going to take that beautiful bow and we are going to glue this bow right here, right at the bottom, where it says wash your hands. Okay. So that's where we're going to do that. Now while this is drying here, the only other thing I'm going to do is just put a dot of glue in back of that bow. Okay, just so that it doesn't flop down. Now if you didn't want to use the hanger, which I'm not really sure I want to use the hanger, you can take a piece of jute twine. Okay, I think I would rather use the jute twine because I'd like some of that jute twine to show. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that jute twine right there. It's only because I think I would rather the jute twine show. So okay, we're just going to give that just 1 second. Okay, so guys, I think we did a good job. I think we did a great job. I don't want to pull all that twine yet, but I want to show you how beautiful this looks. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now you can move the bow a little bit just so that you can see that part. I'm sure you can see it once you hang it. But guys, yes, I hope you liked the video, guys. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. If you liked the video, click like, share, comment below, and let me know what you think. And don't forget that subscribing to the channel is totally free. So subscribe to the channel and tell a friend. And I'll see you in the next video.